Hey, so hope you are all doing well. I will start. I'm starting my video. I'm just heading towards my office, and it's been quite some kind of troublesome moment to go there. Let me tell you the story in the meanwhile. So it's like so. Uh, Once upon a time, there were these people that seems like they are not working out, but they are the actual ones who are uh, doing the all the hard work. So in my 12th standard, I met with such a person at around that place of time, and the person was quite non-talkative and a little bit of shy. Everything that I can think of as the dumb person, the way he talks, the way he deals with things. So I thought that this is a dumb guy, so let's not be friend with her, with him. And then we met over tuition multiple times, but it was like I was quick to judge him uh, because of my past experiences. That wasn't a good deed, but instead I wasn't supposed to judge him, but I judged him, and then uh, some time later it was the friendship, but it wasn't that kind of that where two people are equal. You know, like I am above and he is down. So this is not a friendship, I think, because in friendship both are equal. So generally this kind of friendship comes when people get together and they one person is down at first and he get in the upper hand, and still the way of treatment doesn't get changed much from in the friendship. So that's when actually friendship happens. If someone is thinking that he is above, then friendship is not possible at all. So we are friends just for the namesake, and we were going through the lot of pain at that time because we had to deal with a lot of assignments at the same time, and to be honest, I am not good at completing the assignments in deadline, but I know I am good at procrastinating, but that's not it's uh, that's what I am good at. So I kept doing what I am good at, and the other person kept doing what he is good at to complete the deadlines on time. So in this way, the people are not very competitive. They are kind of very troublesome in that case. So uh, uh, it is the scenario should be you should be adaptable to the times. Whenever you need to procrastinate, you can procrastinate. So sometimes procrastination is also the good thing. And then whenever you just want to complete the deadlines, you should be able to complete the deadline upon time. That's what it should be. It shouldn't be procrastinating. The survivability game is on the adaptability. It's not on be good at something. No, you can't just survive. If you are good at something to be the excellent one, then that's a completely altogether different case. But if you are the person who is the common man and you are struggling to find for your food, so first you have to be adaptable. towards the work, but the end goal shouldn't be changed. And sometimes, as I was saying, that sometimes procrastination is always good. In case you want something that is too, uh, like you want to do something that is bad. Because let's say if I want to say something, I am angry, and I wanna say something to someone, and then uh, how it will be if you say it will be like if I am saying something, then it will be automatic. It's like Newton's third law of motion, right? Action and reaction. So that's how it is. So in this case, it is always good to procrastinate, but it should be in our limit. Wherever we want to procrastinate, do the procrastination. Wherever we need to be active at work, we should be active. It's like that. We shouldn't keep procrastinating. It is like even if we don't want to work, we are not feeling like to work, do the work and then take the day off. It's completely fine. It's not fine, although you should only take the break on the weekend or whatever time you have fixed for a one day holiday in a week. But that's how we are supposed to handle these things. And another thing is planning. Planning is something that is very important. In my case, I really forget things to do because I think I focus on too many things at the same time. I should do focus one by one. Some are mandatory things that needs to be focused, something are not mandatory. That's it. I arrived to my office. Thank you. Best of luck for your day. Good day.